This video explains how to checkmate with knight and bishop. Please note that the moves are not always the best move because I prioritize the easy way to remember. To checkmate, white needs to drive the black king to the corners that are the same color as the bishop. Remember this position that the black king can only move to a8 and b8. I recommend remembering one checkmate pattern in the beginning. The knight can be knight a6 check or knight d7 check, but remember knight c6 check, and you'll be fine. By the way, the black king can be checkmated at the edge of the board. It's a blunder, but watch out for it. Believe it or not, the chances are not zero. White needs to avoid the following situation: draw by the 50-move rule, draw by the threefold repetition, draw by the stalemate, defeat by running out of time, making mistakes under time pressure. It's the starting position of the W maneuver. W maneuver is a method to drive the black king to the corner that is the same color as the bishop. The knight will move like a W shape. I have to say that my method is not the typical W maneuver. I also use Deletang's triangle method part way through. First, remember the starting position of the W maneuver. That helps you to deal with this endgame. This position is also the starting position of the W maneuver because the positional relationship is the same. The position appears in the Part 1 video. Here, the pattern is knight e5. Next, black will play king f8 or king d8. Let's take a look at king f8 first. This prevents the black king from going back to the h8 square. Watch out for this position. The best move is king d6, not bishop g6. King c6 is not good because of king d8, king d6. I recommend bishop e8 that will drive the black king outside the 5 squares diagonal. That's easy to remember. White will control b6 square with knight a4 to prevent the black king from escaping from b6 to a5. We will take a look at king d8 and king b7. Remember this pattern. The bishop and knight are confining the black king. The rest moves are mechanical. The bishop on the 3 squares diagonal restricts the black king's range of action. The black king can move only a7 and a8. From here, move the knight to c6 and then checkmate the black king. Watch out for the stalemate. King b7 will be the same as before. Let's go back to the first position and take a look at the other line. The black king has gone to d8, not f8. If the black king goes to e8, then white will respond with knight d7. However, let's take a look at king c7. What move should white play here? It may be difficult to remember at first, but remember it as a pattern. Controlling b6 and c5 with knight d7, then controlling a6 and b5 with bishop d3, that will lead to confine the black king. The bishop controls a6 and c6. White will take the knight to d5 to control b6 and c7 while preventing the black king from going to b6. White should not move the knight because it controls b6. Let's look at this pattern again. It's easy to checkmate if you learn the pattern. However, it's not easy to checkmate within 49 moves in this endgame because time pressure leads to mistakes, and some mistakes lead to 50 moves draw. The solution is in part 1 video, so if you haven't watched it yet, please take a look. I hope this will help you. Thanks for watching.